Hello guys, today let us see how to earn 2000 to 3000 rupees without any risk. So let's start our video. This is the new crypto exchange app, that is Bybit. So I'll be giving the link in the description. Click on the link and you will be redirected here. So first click on the sign up button and then give the email address and password. Then click on continue. Then you will be seen like this. Then click on continue. Then you will be getting a OTP here, so enter this. Then the app will be open. Then go to Play Store and search for Bybit app, then open it. You will be seen like this. Then click on the top left icon here. Then you will be seen like this. Then click on login button. Then enter the email ID which you have registered there. So click on like this. Then there will be a captcha, so verify this. Then you will be redirected here. You can be seen like this. So next what we have to do is, so we have to add funds to the Bybit app. So we cannot directly add funds, so we use Vazirix app, which is another crypto exchange app. So open the Vazirix app, then click on funds here. Then you can, if you want to deposit the amount, click on the INR and then you can click on the deposit option. Then you will be seen like this, instant deposit. So by wallet transfer, through MobiKwik wallet you can transfer the funds here. Click on the MobiKwik wallet, add minimum 3000 rupees, which makes $20 approximately. Then after payment the funds will be added here. Then search for XRP, which has low withdrawal fees. So then confirm the buy from clicking here, buy or sell. Then you have to buy the total amount of 3000 rupees. Then you can see the XRP wallet here. You have to withdraw the funds from here to there. So open the Bybit app and click on assets. You will be seen like this. So search for XRP. Then click on the deposit address. You will be seen like this. Then copy the wallet and tag. So you have to paste here the destination address and the tag has to be pasted here. Click on withdraw. After buying XRP, you will be seen like this. XRP, the amount will be shown here. Then you have to withdraw the funds, that is XRP, from here to Bybit app. So directly open the Bybit app and click on assets. Then you will be seen everything zero here. Then you have to search XRP here. After clicking deposit button, you have to search XRP. Then copy the address and tag. Then open Vazirix withdrawal section, which we have seen in previous XRP. So paste the deposit destination address here and destination tag. Then click on proceed. It will show error because you have to enter the remarks, that is you can enter withdraw. So then click on proceed, slide this to confirm. Then your amount will be transferred to Bybit. So after sending XRP to Bybit app, you can see here the amount will be received. It may take 4 or 5 hours, but don't worry, the amount will be received here. So then click on XRP, and you can see XRP or USDT pair here. Click on this. So we have to complete the trading volume worth $200. So just click here as market order. Then you can, I have XRP to sell it in USDT. So we have to fill the quantity, then sell XRP. Click on confirm. The trading volume will be executed. Then same, you have to buy 100. Then click on buy XRP. The same process will be done till 5 or 6 times based on the amount you have. So doing like this again and again 10 or 12 times based on the amount, you will be getting the amount here you can see in overview the derivatives account will be filled with 20 USD. So the overall profit will be 20 USD. The funds will be credited to derivatives account, that is bonus. So how to redeem this? So click on derivatives account, that is derivatives tab here, then search for any top that is trending which is 33% or any other. So you have to both open long and open short with 50-50 amount. So that is click on market and choose leverage, that is 12 to 15%, 15x, or you can choose 10, it will be good, or 9. Okay, I am choosing for 9x. So here you have to select the contract, that is 50% or 60, how much do you have, that is. So I am choosing to open long and then clicking on confirm. Then immediately I am opening short and then I am clicking confirm. So both will be chosen at a time. So here you can see unrealized profit and loss, that is our profit. So if it is above or it is below the graph, you can get profit. So let us see what happens. Here you can see the green is showing as 4 point or 2.3 percentage, which is our profit. So here it's $1, it is profit. So let me close this loss and let me close this profit. So here my profit is $1. So I have to transfer this from derivatives to spot. So then click on assets, then choose transfer. You have to switch this from spot account to derivatives account. We have to do from derivatives to spot. Then click on switch account. So the coin is USDT. Then click on all, that is available is 1, because the profit and loss is we have got is profit, that is 1. Click on confirm transfer. The transfer will be completed from derivatives to spot. That is, now you have 21 here and the 1 will be transferred here. The same you have to repeat again. So let us see what happens. Click on leverage, that is 10x now, or 12 or 13, but keep both the same value, and click on save. Click on OK. Then we have to open this as open long confirm and open short confirm. Both will be in the orders section. So always choose 50%, that is if you have $20 in bonus account, then the $10 should be on short, then the $10 should be on long. Now let us see here what happens. Keep it on for some time. Let it take its time for its profit. So here you can see the profit is $1, it's reaching nearby. So close the minus, that is red short, and let this has to run. Again the profit is $1. So let me close this and go to assets. Then again click on transfer, switch from derivatives to spot, then click on USDT, then click on all. The funds will be $0.97. Click on confirm. That's it, the transfer will be successful. So this is the method to convert from derivatives account to spot account. You can hold this for a long time, that is until you get profit. I have closed before because it to show you a glimpse. So how to withdraw this to your bank? So I have USDT, so we have to buy in XRP. We have to convert it because the fees will be low here. XRP USDT, fill the amount with 100%, then click on buy. Order will be executed and click on assets. Then you can see XRP will be having $24. Then you have to withdraw this. Click on withdraw, then enter the address here. Amount we have to click on all. Enter the withdraw tag or memo. So this will be seen in Bazirix, and you can select an address. So you have to add the address name, tag, etc. You have to add it, which we have seen for withdrawing from Vazrix to Bybit. Then click on withdraw. The amount will be sent to Vazrix. Then you have to sell it, and you have to withdraw it to bank. Like and share and support. So thanks for watching, guys.